Phrasal verbs with get. Get in. It means to enter or to arrive or to be admitted to school. I got in home at midnight. She's got into Harvard to study law. Get on. It means to be successful in your career. I don't know how he is going to get on in life. Parents are always anxious for their children to get on. Get along with. It means to have a friendly relationship with someone. My sister and I get along very well. She never got along with her brother. Get through. It means to finish or to pass or make someone to understand. They got through a lot of work today. May got through her math test. Get over. It means to overcome or deal with something. I think she can get over her fears. He was disappointed at not getting the job, but he will get over it. Get up. It means to stand up, arrange or increase. I often get up at 7 o'clock. We're getting up a party for her birthday. Get about. It means to be able to move or travel about after ill or to go to a lot of different places. I get about very well after my operation. Amber gets about last week she was in Paris and this week he is Vietnam. Get after. It means to follow. If you want to catch him, you need to get after him. Dad should get after Billy to mow the lawn. Get ahead. It means to make progress to be successful. Working hard is the best way help you get ahead. Get away. It means to leave for vacation or succeed in leaving a place. I won't be able to get away from the office before 6. They are hoping to get away for a few days at Easter. Get around. It means to be active. She really gets around, doesn't he? I know how to get around my dad. Get down. It means to bring or convey something down. Did you get his number down? To make somebody feel sad or depressed. Don't let it get you down too much. Get behind. It means to fail to make enough progress at the right time. I'm getting behind with my work. He got behind with the payments for his car. Get at. It means to reach or intend or find out something. The truth is sometimes difficult to get at. The dog could not get at the meat on the high shelf. Get across. It means to make understandable. Your meaning didn't really get across. My words was struggling to get his point across. Get out of. It means to avoid doing something. I hate to get out of bed on cold morning. How I can get him out of going to the party. Get off. It means to leave a vehicle or transfer. I just got off the train. To help somebody do this. He got the children off to sleep. Get back. It means to move away and to retrieve or return. I got back my bag from my friend. He got back his son from the kidnappers. Get by. It means to manage to live. I can get by with little money. She just get by in German. If you guys see this video useful, please don't forget giving me a like and subscribe my channel to see more new videos. Thanks for watching.